Hello, this is Jeremy from Abstract. In this video, we're going to take a brief look behind the scenes at how Striking Distance Studios was able to craft the incredibly detailed and terrifying world of the Callisto Protocol, and how InstaLOD became an essential tool in their development pipeline. Let's take a look.
The Callisto Protocol is a survival horror experience where you play as Jacob Lee, a cargo pilot who crash lands on Jupiter's icy moon Callisto. Jacob is taken into Black Iron Prison, where things quickly spiral out of control as the mysterious virus runs through the prison. As Jacob attempts to escape, he unravels the dark secrets of Black Iron Prison and the shadowy minds running it. From the very beginning, we knew the Callisto Protocol would be a game filled with intricate details. From the terrifying enemies you face to the rich environmental storytelling, every element needed to feel immersive. Creating such a detailed world brings significant challenges, especially when it comes to maintaining performance. Optimizing content manually would have been nearly impossible for a game of this scope, and that's where InstaLOD came in. InstaLOD allowed the team to focus on creativity while it handled the heavy lifting of optimization. It became an essential tool in our pipeline, saving us time and effort at every stage of production. In the past, creating LODs by hand was a time-intensive process. At SDS, we leveraged InstaLOD to automatically create LODs as assets that were imported into Unreal. This seamless integration saved countless of hours and ensured consistent optimization. This level of automation was critical for a game where assets go through multiple iterations throughout the production cycle. InstaLOD also helped us generate light map UVs without overlaps, a common issue found in highly detailed games. When overlaps occurred, the tool allowed us to rebake UVs directly within the engine, saving time and preventing potential issues during lighting passes. One of the standout features was material merge. By baking multiple textures and materials into a single texture atlas and material, we achieved massive performance savings. This was invaluable for dense scenes, crowds, cinematic assets, and gameplay environments. Needless to say, InstaLOD played a pivotal role in bringing the Callisto Protocol to life. InstaLOD is one of those tools that I want to use for any future project, as it allows teams to focus on creativity while maintaining the highest performance standards.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.